Hi guys, I'm back, and today I decided I was going to show you around my house while I clean using my new Bissell Power Steamer. This is the first time I'm ever using it, so I figured we can go around my house together and you can see how well it works the same time as I do. Here's where I got my Bissell Power Steamer from. I put a link in the description in case you would like to buy one as well. I'm going to show you how to fill up the steam shot. First, we're going to unscrew the lid. And it comes with a little measuring cup. You're going to fill water to the max line and slowly pour it into the reservoir. Now I'm going to show you the accessories that come with it. This here is the extension hose. This here is the accessory nozzle, and you'll want this on your machine every time you hook up an accessory to it. This is the flat scraper tool. This here is the angle concentrator tool. This here is the grout brush. I'm starting in my laundry room, and I'm sorry if the lighting isn't good, but here I'm going to put my attachment nozzle on and then connect the black round brush tool. Now I'm at the kitchen in my microwave, and I'm going to attach the red round scrub brush tool. With my garbage can, I'm going to use the black round brush and just the extension tool. Now to do my stove, I decided to use the flat scraper tool. And this is what it looked like after I was done. For the toaster oven door, I added a little bit of baking soda with the black scrub brush, and here's how it turned out. Now in the bathroom, I took the angled tool and decided to go under the base of my toilet and around the base of my toilet. Now to clean all the accessories, when I was done, I made a hot soapy water mix and put all my attachments in it, and I scrubbed them out and rinsed them and let them air dry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video watching me use my power steamer, and if you did, leave a comment down below of stuff you would like to use this on. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.